This is simply unbelievable. In a rudimentary workshop in Peshawar, Pakistan, they can produce such high-quality scythes. Cutting grass becomes as simple as mowing. How is this achieved? Their material selection is extremely strict, using only the most solid of raw materials. These sturdy truck steel plates are the raw materials used to make the scythes. First, the workers skillfully use a tape measure for measurement. Then they use chalk to mark the steel plates, carefully marking out where to cut. Once marked, the steel plates are swiftly loaded onto a handcart by another worker, preparing them for the next step of cutting. These thick steel plates cannot be cut with ordinary scissors, so when a certain quantity of steel plates is loaded, the workers push the handcart to the punch press, using it to accurately cut along the markings. With the efficient assistance of the punch press, productivity is significantly increased. In less than half an hour, a large pile of steel plates is cut. These cut steel plates are then neatly stacked together by the workers and cleverly separated. These neatly arranged steel plates are then quickly transported to the iron plate at the mouth of the furnace via a manual assembly line, with the workers cooperating seamlessly. Although using machinery for this step would be faster, by doing it manually, they can ensure that everyone has work to do rather than being idle. This device, resembling a bellows. Its function is to inject the burning material into the furnace. Workers can precisely adjust the valves to flexibly control the size of the fire. Once heated, the steel plates are carefully hooked out by the workers as they turn red hot. First, the oxidized surface of the steel plates needs to be hammered off. Then, the steel plates are sent for the hot rolling process. During hot rolling, 3 workers need to cooperate seamlessly. 2 workers roll the steel plates back and forth, while another worker is responsible for precisely adjusting the gap of the rollers. Through repeated rolling, the steel plates are pressed into the desired shape. These steel plates, after the pressing process, are skillfully grasped by the workers with pliers and arranged neatly together for cooling, waiting for the next step. Once cooled, the steel plates are sent to the hydraulic press. Equipped with specialized molds, the hydraulic press acts as a shaper for the steel. Under the powerful pressure of the hydraulic press, the steel plates are cut into the required contours. These stamped steel plates are then transferred to the punching machine for the next punching process. Above the punching machine, specialized molds are equipped. Workers simply need to firmly press the steel plates onto the molds to easily punch out precise holes. The existence of these holes is designed for the subsequent fixation of the blade. After the holes are successfully punched out, the steel plates are placed on an iron needle. Workers hold hammers and carefully tap the steel plates, slightly adjusting them to make the area around the holes smoother. After flattening, the steel plates are then sent to the grinder for further processing. The masters first carefully grind the burrs on the edges of the steel plates to ensure smooth, burr-free edges. Once the edges are finished, the critical blade grinding process follows. This also requires the operation of workers. It is a long process that demands patience and meticulousness. Workers need to repeat the process to achieve the best results because this step is crucial for the quality and performance of the scythe. The sharpness of the blade is crucial here. During the grinding process, the workers are completely focused on grinding the steel plates, and the metal shavings flutter down like golden snowflakes, creating a unique work scene. To ease the tension, workers occasionally hum tunes, adding a hint of relaxation to the monotonous work. Their songs echo in the workshop, intertwining with the sounds of grinding, forming a unique rhythm. After meticulous grinding, the sharp blades undergo strict quality inspection by another worker one by one. Once confirmed to be without issues, these scythes undergo a careful oiling process. The purpose of this oil layer is to prevent rusting during subsequent packaging and transportation. After oiling, workers cleverly divide the scythes into groups of 6 for easier handling. Grouped scythes are then placed one by one on racks, spread out for drying. Each rack can accommodate 6 scythes neatly and orderly. Once the scythes are completely dried, they are ready for labeling. There are specialized bags here, looking very upscale. Workers carefully place the scythes into the bags and then use a specialized sealing machine to seal the bags shut, ensuring the safety and hygiene of the scythes. Now let's observe together the scene of the scythe mounted on the grass cutting machine. Although the grass cutting machine's blade holder can only accommodate 2 scythes, they look particularly imposing. Let's take a look at the working condition of the grass cutting machine. Its operation is very smooth, and the results are satisfactory. Workers only need to place the grass on the machine, and it will be slowly sucked into the machine. With the rotation of the scythe, the grass is quickly and evenly chopped. The efficient operation of the grass cutting machine not only saves manpower and time but also improves work efficiency. Such mechanized operations make agricultural production more convenient and efficient.